Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Pipedrive CRM for email follow-ups. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Pipedrive website. Click on the Get Started button to create a new account. Fill in the necessary information, including your name, email address, and password. After submitting the form, check your email for a confirmation message from Pipedrive. Click the link in the confirmation email to verify your account. Once verified, log into your Pipedrive account using your credentials. On the dashboard, navigate to the Settings option, usually found in the bottom left corner. In the Settings menu, locate and click on Email Integration. Choose your email provider from the list provided. Follow the prompts to connect your email account to Pipedrive. You may need to enter your email address and password again for authentication. Once the integration is complete, you'll see options for email tracking and syncing. Enable these features to ensure Pipedrive captures all your email interactions. Next, head back to the main dashboard. Click on Contacts to view your existing leads and contacts. Select a contact you wish to follow up with. Click on the Email button to compose your follow-up message. Write your email in the provided text field. Make sure to personalize your message for better engagement. Review your email for clarity and professionalism. When you're satisfied, click on Send to dispatch the email. Monitor your email interactions through the Pipedrive interface. Use the tracking feature to see when your email is opened. For future follow-ups, refer back to the contacts history in Pipedrive. You can set reminders for additional follow-up emails directly within the system. Adjust your email templates in Pipedrive for reuse on similar follow-up messages. Now, you're all set to streamline your email follow-ups using Pipedrive CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.